how to change text tone alert sound on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. In here, scroll down and then tap on Text Tone. Next, we then select from the list here, select a new text tone. To view more classic sound, tap on Classic, and here there will be more text tone that you can choose from. Okay, so select one of the available text tone. You can choose one from the tone store, or you can install your own custom text tone on the iPhone. And that's it. Finally, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.